Jesse James back with you. Okay, what we're going to talk about the achievements I made. I learned a lot, I did a lot, but for some of the younger people that are struggling, trying to get these motors to set in your frame right, 1954, 47, 55 Chevys, you do yourself a favor, because I seen one young man weld his motor mounts on the front cross member with your Mustang 2, which that's what I got. The motor mounts will not go there. Your engine will be setting out too far. Okay, and if we take a look at this transmission mount over here, it's already set up. The drill holes in the right place. You can slide this plate in and out. If it's too wide, you can cut a little bit off the bar, put your plate back on there, drill your holes. There you go. You ever have to take your transmission out, you unbolt your hose. Okay. Set your motor. That'll give you some guidance. If you got your rear end in the right place, slide your engine back, leave you just enough space so if you ever have to pull your drive line, you can slide it in, drop it out the normal way. Front cross member, they came as a set from Brothers. Like I told you last time, they don't pay me, but I'm going to tell you the easy way out. Brothers, I ordered this other set, the motor cross member, the transmission cross member. The motor plates is already set up. Same thing applies to the front. You might have to trim off a little bit, but make sure you trim off the same thing on either side to get your motor to center up. Your motor has to fit behind your Mustang 2 cross member. I've seen a young man had welded his motor mounts onto this. Please look at this video, because the one thing I learned about cleaning was use oven cleaner. And that's why I got my, I forget the guy's name from video, but everybody can learn. That cross member, when you set it in there, it fits perfect for your motor. And there you go. It don't look like a lot of achievements, but I'm moving right along. Now today what I did, this looked good to me. I love it. Chevrolet for life. Beautiful, beautiful setup. Absolutely beautiful. Last time you saw me, I was having problems. Having a few problems with getting the old girl back into a stall. Made a few improvements. I made me a boom right from the cherry picker. Slide that bar out the cherry picker. Welded a piece on. This is part of a jackhammer. Rat parts for a rat rod. Okay, it works beautiful. I took me a couple of 2x4s, 2x6s. I made me a skid on wheels. A lot of improvements. I used the same thing I've seen on YouTube. Spray the oven cleaner, let it stay on a couple of hours, hose it down. That's what you got. Absolutely beautiful inside, absolutely clean. For a quickie, we're gonna fire the old John Deere up and see can we get the old gal up in a stall. Here we go. That's all to it. Maybe make you one. Until the next time I make a video. Peace. See you later.